Hoka hey! Welcome back. Boozhoo ni Nanaboozhoo. Niemen Wendam Oman Gum. And I'm happy to be here today. My name is Nanaboozhoo. Nanaboozhoo Indigenous Cause. And today I was just making myself a sandwich. I guess I can wait on that. But there's something I want to talk about. There's something I want to talk about. No, don't be afraid. It's this thing. It's a knife. A knife. But hey, you know, it's just a simple butter knife. It can't hurt nobody. But you know what this is in Ojibwe? Mookamon. Mookamon. And if it was a great big knife, we call it a mookamon, a great knife. But you know who else we called mookamon? We called the white people mookamon. And I brought over a friend here. Say hello. Hello. My name is mookamon. I'm terrible at the accent. I wish I was a better actor. I can do a southern accent. Let me try that. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. What's up? Don't mind if I do. Really don't mind if I do. Okay. So, mookamon. We call white people mookamon because when they first came over, they had these long knives, the swords. I think it was the Spaniards, but I could be wrong. Okay, that's all the time we have for today. I'm going to keep it kind of short. I gotta go someplace. You're not going to believe it. I gotta go someplace, so let me just say, hey, Scotty, beam me up.